A rectangle, with sides parallel to the x-axis and y-axis, has opposite vertices at 15, 3, and 16, 5. Line 1 passes through the origin 0, 0, and the point 3, 1. Line 2 passes through 0, 10, and 2, 9. How many points on the rectangle lie on at least one of the two lines? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's set up a coordinate grid. The rectangle sits far to the right, covering x from 15 to 16 and y from 3 to 5. Line 1 goes through the origin and the point 3, 1. Line 2 goes through 0, 10, and 2, 9. First, find the equations of the lines. Line 1 has slope 1/3, since it rises 1 for every 3 across. So its equation is y equals x over 3. Line 2 has slope -1/2, since it drops 1 for every 2 across from 0, 10. So y equals 10 minus x over 2. Now let's zoom in on the rectangle to see exactly what happens near it. Check line 1. At x equals 15, y equals 15 over 3, which is exactly 5. That is the corner 15, 5. As x moves from 15 to 16, the line rises to about 5.3 above the top of the rectangle. So line 1 touches the rectangle at just that one corner. Check line 2. At x equals 15, y equals 2.5, and at x equals 16, y equals 2. Both are below y equals 3, the bottom of the rectangle. So line 2 passes underneath and never touches it. So only line 1 meets the rectangle, and only at the single corner 15, 5. The total number of points is just 1. The answer is 1.